What's up, guys? Welcome to Holiday Doubles Vlog. This is the highest scoring amateur tournament in the nation. It is a doubles tournament. I'm bowling with Cameron Doyle. The winner is going to take home $10,000. We're going to need some ridiculous scores because the scores are always ridiculously high. I'll catch you guys after game 4 of the first 8-game block.
Hey, Mike. Hey, it's going to get you out of last place.
It is day 7 of the 12 days of Christmas giveaways that we're running, and today we're giving away this signed bowling pin from the top 8 bowlers on the PBA Tour 2023 season. 1, you have to be a subscriber of the channel. 2, you have to click that link down below and fill out our email list to enter all of our giveaways. And then 3, you got to stick along to the end of the video to make sure that you know who the day 6 winner was. Through 4 games, we are 291 over. The cut is going to be right around 430, so we are well above pace. However, we have to keep it up because the scoring pace is really high. I'm bowling well. Cameron's starting to figure it out these last couple games with some different bowling balls. And for right now, we just have to keep striking. 291 over after 4. The leader is like 775, so hopefully we can get closer to that number because once they cut to 46, we bowl 5 games and then cut to 12. So it's a pretty steep cut there right afterwards. So hopefully some better bowling these next 4 games and we make that top 46. As our 8 games came to an end, I ended with 260, 260, 260, 220, and Cameron ended with 270, 210, 270, 250. So we ended up as a whole 749 over. I think that puts us in 3rd, in a great spot for the next 5 games to actually make a run at making that top 12. Right now we're in 3rd, like I said. So top 12, we're in there. We just got to keep bowling well, keep doing what we're doing, and hopefully keep striking like we were, because this top 12 cut is definitely a really hard one to make. I think the top 12 cut right now is looking like 600 over. So 5 more games. I'll catch you guys 3 games in, and we'll talk about what's been going on. After 3 games, I went 240, 250, 260. Cameron went 2-0, 2-0, 240. So right now we're in a good spot. I think we're probably right around that 4th, 5th, or 6th number, just hovering within that top 12. We need 2 more really good games to end it, and hopefully we stay in that top 12. We make it to tomorrow's round robin match play where we get to bowl for the title and $10,000.
It took 12 games, and we got a new color. A new player has entered the game.
Banged him with a 300 game the last game to actually stay within that cut number. I ended up at 313 over for those 5 games. Cameron hung on for dear life there to keep us in that top 12 with not great ball reaction. He grinded it out and helped us stay within that number. Tomorrow we're going to be in 6th. Obviously, with it being match play, there's 12 games. We've only bowled 13. There's plenty of time to make up the 200 pins that we're back of the lead. And anything can happen with 30 bonus pins added per game. Anyways, like I told you guys, we will be announcing the day 6 winner right up here. And once again, all you have to do to enter our 12 Days of Christmas giveaways is click that link down below, and you must be a subscriber of the channel. But thank you guys for watching Holiday Doubles Vlog Day 1. Day 2 tomorrow, where we chase down the leaders and $10,000 to the winners. Fingers crossed we can get some better ball reaction tomorrow. Keep it a little more simple for Cam. Continue the striking for me as I averaged just over 257 today, capping it off with a 300 game there on the end. So anyways, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.